Welcome back to Monster Misfits, guys. Today I'm showing you our new product that we got. This is our skull column. These come in various colors, whatever color you'd like. This one is green and orange, but it would look good in silver, gold, copper, or whatever. These turn out pretty cool, I think. And the best part about these are they are foam. So I made these for like doorways and whatnot. That way, if you got a rough patch in your haunt and a patron happens to run into it, they're not going to get hurt because you got some good padding there. They're probably 6-7 pounds, maybe, if that. They are flat backed, of course. They are 4 foot long by 10 inches wide. So it's one of our new ones that we just made up, and we're probably gonna do one that goes like this. It goes above the door, and we'll turn the skulls around, do that. We got some other projects coming out. I think it's gonna be pretty cool for you guys to see or take advantage of, purchase some for your haunt. But this is one of our new products we just came out with. Actually, this got done today, and what we got going on behind us is we got another one that just dwelled 4 hours, and we're draining it now. So about another 10-minute drain, and we'll lay it down and put a fan on it, and then we'll foam fill it and we'll paint it. So those are kind of cool things that we got going on at the moment. And I think we're getting ready to make some wider panels. We're going to make some that's probably 4 foot wide by, I don't know, 3 foot tall, 2 foot tall, something like that. I got to figure out the logistics on that, but they're going to be pretty epic when I get them done. It's going to take probably 75 pounds of clay, but I think they're going to be pretty cool. So we'll have that coming out before too long. So I want to get on that and get that going on. But I kind of wanted to share, the mold that we did. And I made a stand for this. I don't know how well you can see it, but I made a stand for this. So my mold will sit in there correctly. So as you can see, underneath it's pointed because of the skulls. So I made a stand for it, and it is ultra cal, so it's kind of heavy. And I made these right here to hold the mold up in the air so it can drain. Then I got this little pan to go underneath it. Holds all of my latex. Of course, I can't hold my camera still, but it holds all my latex in there. We just put a lid on it, and we pour it again tomorrow. So I can make one of these a day, and I might be able to do 2 a day, but it'd be pushing it. It'd be an all day, half the night ordeal, but try to do 1 a day so we can make something different. But there you go, guys. Sorry, my phone is all cattywampy and does whatever it wants to do. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I know I haven't really posted anything long on this channel for a while. It's always been shorts because I've been so busy. I've just been covered up making products and stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoy, and hey, we'll see you on the next one. And as always, keep it creepy.